Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Waggaman, local and long-distance movers near me. Even if you're shifting to another city or country, 3 Movers can easily help shift your stuff at an affordable price. We also have the required equipment. Movers pack your products efficiently and prevent any risk of wear and tear. Usually, in the case of long-distance shifting, you'll require 1 to 2 trucks depending upon your apartment. And for that purpose, our movers will visit your apartment, note the number of boxes required to pack your things, and will carefully fully equip before packing. Although it's a long-distance shifting, our movers have years of experience, and we are very particular about our clients' time. Whether you're moving to a nearby apartment or interstate locality, you may wish to indulge in the shifting process with loved ones, but it can turn out to be risky and costlier experience for you. In addition, handling delicate or heavyweight products without prior experience may increase the risk of getting injured or wear and tear. Therefore, it's recommended to consider hiring professionals like 3 Movers. We provide 24/7 assistance and even help shift same day if required. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Waggaman moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.